So first I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape concealer and I'm going to be putting this all over my eyelid and blending in it with my finger. Then I'm taking my Pretty Vulgar translucent powder and putting that on a fluffy eyeshadow brush and setting the concealer we just placed. I'm taking my 88 Original eyeshadow palette and taking this ocean blue color, and I'm going to be putting this on an angled fluffy brush and putting this right above the concealer we just placed. I'm also going to be winging this out as well. Taking the same palette, I'm taking the darker blue shade right underneath it with the same brush we used before and mixing that in with the ocean blue shade. I'm now taking a clean fluffy brush and blending any harsh lines. Taking my Tarte Shape Tape again, I'm putting the concealer on a flat shader brush and putting this on the eyelid to cut the crease. Make sure you wing out the concealer too. For the eyelid, I'm taking silver glitter on a flat eyeshadow brush and placing this right over the concealer. For the lower lash line, I'm taking the 88 Original palette again and taking the first shade of blue we used on our crease on a flat shader brush just on the tip and putting this on our lower lash line. Now I'm applying some false eyelashes as usual. Now I'm taking my Too Faced Hot Chocolate Bronzer on a fluffy brush and applying this on my cheekbones, my forehead, and my nose. Taking my Becca Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm going to be taking the hot pink blush shade on a smaller fluffy brush and placing this on the apples of my cheeks. To highlight, I'm taking Champagne Pop on an angled fluffy brush and placing this on my cheekbones and my nose and my chin. For the lips, I'm taking my Tarte Kiss lip gloss in Insta Famous and putting that all over my lips. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys try this. If you have any requests, leave them below.